Welcome back to my channel of Strong Funda. In today's video we are going to continue the deep thinking question. So without wasting that time, I'll just take you through the question. Okay, so here's the question, and if you see this figure and see this option, so at the very first instance you might be thinking that this question would be very hard, but I don't know. Let's firstly read the question, then we'll come to the conclusion whether we should go for it or not. Means I'm just talking about the competitive exam, but my objective is to tell you the approach to make your funder strong, especially in the maths. Okay, so without wasting time, just quickly go to the question. What this question is saying: there is an equilateral triangle with the square inscribed inside it. One of the side of the square lies on the side of the equilateral triangle. What is the ratio of the area of a square to that of equilateral triangle? Okay, so these are the option being given, and let's quickly understand the question first. So what has been given to us? Given this is an equilateral triangle, correct? And once equilateral triangle comes, so what are the things you should come in your mind? All sides are equal, correct? Second thing is that all of these angles of this triangle would be 60 degree. I hope that is very basic thing of the equilateral triangle. And any symmetry happens, so all of the angle side is going to get bisect, but I don't think so over here anything will be happening over there. But these are the property of the equilateral triangle. This is very basic. Second thing what is being said is that this is the thing which actually represent as a rectangle, but in the question it is saying that this is a square. So what is the square? All four sides are equal. So this is a, although it is representing as a rectangle, but this is in a square. Okay, so these are the things. And what is being said, what is the ratio of the area of the square? So the area of the square would be side square, correct, to that of equilateral triangle. So what is the area of equilateral triangle? 3 by 4. What is the side of the triangle? Is side square. That is, this is what the area we need to find out. Okay, so the first thing is that the area of the square in terms of the side A, we know that is side square. So can I write this as an A square? Now we know in order to cancel it, the side, I need to find out what is the length of this equilateral triangle with respect to the side of the square which is been given, correct? I hope that there should not be any confusion till now, and if you guys are having any trouble in understanding the concept and going for the approach, please do let me know in your comments, else I'm just move forward. Okay, so here's the figure. I need to find out the side with respect to the side which is being given in the square. So if I draw a perpendicular over here based on the property of the equilateral angle, if this is the 90 degree, correct, so it is going to bisect. So can I draw like triangle like this? Okay, and this is side A, and this length would be A by 2, because this is going to bisect and this is the property. Okay, and this I know the 60 degree. Okay, oh my god, just I'm saying this is 60 degree. What can I do? I need to find out this side. Okay, so what, I know the angle, I know one side perpendicular, I need to find out the base. So I'm just applying formula tan 60 is equal to perpendicular upon base. What is the perpendicular? A. What is my base? I need to find, let's write it as base. What is tan 60? I hope guys, I'm expecting this you should know, is equal to A upon base. So can I say that my base would be a by root 3, correct? Okay, so this is a by root 3, this is a by 2. What is my total half length of this triangle? If I take it like 1 by root plus 1 by 2, this is the half. What would be my full length of this base? I need to make it twice because this was bisecting. So in order to find out the full length, I have to multiply by 2. I hope there is no problem. Now just simplify this side. So can I write it like 2a 2 plus root 3 upon 2 root 3? No problem. 2 get cancelled out. So what is my side of this equilateral triangle is there any another? Okay, this has been given, sorry. So just remember, side of my equilateral triangle is a by root 3 2 plus root 3. Okay, I just need to write, and I just need to change. So my side is a by root 3 2 plus root 3. Okay, I have found out the length of this triangle. So this side, it has been given a by root 3 2 plus root 3. And what is my formula? Formula of equilateral triangle 3 by 4 side square, correct? So can I write it 3 by 4 side is been given a by root 3 2 plus root 3 to the whole square, correct? Just simply expanding the formula. What is been given? A square upon root 3 the square is equal to 3 and 2 plus root 3 whole square, correct? Okay, now what can I do? This okay, let it be. Just keep it like root 3 a square upon 12 and just expand inside. Square of 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4, root 3 square is equal to 3, and 2 into 2 into root 3. Can I write it like this? So what simply I have written a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. I think this is very familiar with you guys. If you don't know, please don't say we don't know. This is very basic. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3, correct? Okay, what can I do? I'm just going to multiply root 3 with the inside of this bracket. So this would be 7 root 3 plus 4 root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 upon 12, and this is equal to a square. So what is my final outcome is 12a square. This is the area of equilateral triangle, and I told you in the beginning we need to find out the ratio, and we know the area of square. This will get cancelled, this will go up. So the final answer is 12 by 7 root 3 plus 12. Okay, let's see if this is given in the answer. Yeah, here is our answer. I hope you guys you find this problem quite tricky, and the approach, if you know your basic, then there was no problem in solving this question. So I hope guys you like this video. I request you guys, if you like this this video, please do subscribe my channel and share this video to others so that other will be get benefit. Okay guys, thank you. I'll meet you in the next video soon. Thank you guys. Bye.